Hello, this is your friendly neighborhood teacher, Mr. D, presenting Bud Not Buddy Lesson 3. First thing you'll need to do is take out your Tracking Bud's Rules graphic organizer. You should already have two rules on there. Rule 118, rule number 3. On page 27, Bud states a new rule, so go ahead and get your Bud Not Buddy book out and turn to page 27. This rule is number 328. You need to put this new rule on your graphic organizer by writing the rule number in the first column. Read through rule number 328 and write the rule down in the first column. After you do that, summarize the rule in your own words. Put that into column 2. The rule states this: when you make up your mind to do something, hurry up and do it. If you wait, you might talk yourself out of what you wanted in the first place. What do you think this rule means? Put this rule into your own words. Decide if the rule is to help Bud thrive or survive, and provide evidence from the story to support your decision. You'll need to write this in column number 3. Lastly, you need to decide where you think Bud got this rule from and what it tells you about Bud. Go ahead and write this information on the last column. Remember, you can pause this video at any time to write down your answers before moving on. Next, you have author's word choice, meaning, and tone. You'll need to take out your author's word choice, meaning, and tone graphic organizer. That organizer looks like this. You'll need to read each example of word choice or text details on the left-hand column. In the middle column, you need to describe the emotion or meaning the author is trying to convey or give you. For example, on the first column, it says there was a gray gas can in one corner next to a bunch of gray rakes and a pile of gray rags and a gray tire next to some gray fishing poles. Why did Bud say gray so many times? Well, if someone describes everything as having a gray color to it, the feeling someone might have is being scared, lonely, or having an eerie feeling. Or it could simply mean that there's just not enough light to see. Go ahead and write the feeling or emotion you feel with this quote in the second column. In the last column, you need to describe the tone the author wants you to feel with one word. Only one word, don't use more than one. For example, describing everything as looking gray might make someone feel scared or creepy. Write one word to describe the gray feeling in the last column under tone. Now you're going to need to complete the worksheet by filling in the last 2 rows of the graphic organizer in the same way we just did the first one. Again, pause the video whenever you need to and fill in your information. Lastly, you have a new word catcher for chapters 3 and 4. Please write chapters 3 through 4 at the top of the word catcher and write 20 in parentheses, which means you will need to find 20 words to write down from chapters 3 to 4. Be sure to write down any challenging or unknown words as you go, and go ahead and read through chapter 3 of Bud Not Buddy. Enjoy the story. I'll talk to you again later. Bye.